Hi students, a very good morning to all. Today we can see about subtraction. In this subtraction we have two methods. First we can see subtraction without borrowing. Now, before going to the concept, we have some steps to be followed. Step 1. In the given two numbers, find out which is greater and which is smaller. Step 2. Arrange the numbers in column, putting the greater number on the top and the smaller number below that. Step 3. Subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, hundreds from hundreds, and finally thousands from the thousands below. Let us see an example. Subtract 4521 from 6852. 6852 is the greater number. Arrange them in a column one below the other. Now start subtracting. Subtracting ones. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We write 1 under ones column. Subtracting tens. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We write 3 under tens column. Subtracting hundreds. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. We write 3 under hundreds column. Subtracting thousands. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. We write 2 under thousands column. Thus, 6852 minus 4521 is equal to 2331. Example 2. Find the difference between 4061 and 4572. Here, both the given numbers have the same 4 digits. The digits at the thousands place are same. So, find out the greater number by comparing hundreds place. 5 is greater than 0. So, 4572 is greater than 4061. Now, arrange them in a column. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Subtract tens. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Subtract hundreds. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Subtract thousands. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So, 0 is not required if it is a starting number. Thus, 4572 minus 4061 is equal to 511. Next method is subtraction with borrowing. Take two numbers 5852 and 3625. Arrange them in a column. Subtract the ones. Here we cannot subtract 5 from 2 because 5 is greater than 2. In that case, we should borrow 1 from tens of the first number, that is from 5. Now 2 becomes 12. We can deduct 5 from 12. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now write 7 below the ones column. Subtract the tens. From 5 we have borrowed 1. This will reduce its value to 4. Now deduct 2 from 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Write 2 below the tens column. Subtract the hundreds. Deduct 6 from 8. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Write 2 below the hundreds column. Subtract the thousands. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Write 2 below the thousands column. Thus, we get 5852 minus 3625 is equal to 2227. Hope you have learned subtraction in detail. Thank you, students.